Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about four of the most common IRS tax problems. Let's get into the video. For years, there have been talking points about simplifying the process of filing federal taxes. But despite the promises, the process continues to be complicated and stressful. But as bad as preparing taxes can be, it pales in comparison to the sinking sensation of receiving an IRS notification telling you that you have done something wrong. The IRS reviews each tax return for accuracy and to ensure that taxpayers have paid the amount that they owe. And when they find something wrong, they immediately send a letter alerting the taxpayer of the problem. Though there are several issues that can arise, the four situations I'm about to talk about are common reasons for the IRS to contact and demand action from you. The first situation is failure to file a return at all. Every American is supposed to send in a tax return. Whether you owe the government money or whether the government owes you, failure to file can lead you not getting the refund money you are owed. You only have 3 years to get your paperwork into get money back, and you have shortchanged the government. Then your failure to file can lead to fines adding an additional 25% of what you owe charged over 5 months. The next situation is failure to pay taxes. If you receive a Form CP-14 from the IRS, it means that you have shortchanged the government on your taxes and you owe them the difference. If you both fell short on your payment and do not file a return, you are likely to have to pay penalties and interest too. If your debt is substantial, the agency will allow you to negotiate a partial payment installment agreement to break your payments into monthly installments. The third situation is notification of tax levy. Failure to pay taxes can lead to a seizure of your property known as a tax levy. The IRS does not descend upon your property unannounced. They will notify you using either the LT11, the CP504, the CP90, or the CP91 form. The next situation is notification of tax lien. The IRS also can use a tax lien to collect unpaid tax debts. If you receive a letter 3172, it means that the government is asserting its rights to your property or assets. This letter also gets sent to your creditors, as a tax lien allows the government to get in line for such assets ahead of all others. If you receive one of these notifications from the IRS or any other form of correspondence regarding a mistake or money owed, there's no reason to panic. The best way to handle it is to speak to a qualified, experienced tax professional for guidance on your next steps. If you or your company needs help with preparing your tax return, feel free to contact me. My contact information is listed below in the description of the video. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.